Join me as I dive into the world of machine learning and try to figure out what it's really doing to our future. Machine learning is no longer a buzzword, it's a reality that's increasingly influencing various aspects of our daily lives and future. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, machine learning is silently taking over, and it's essential we understand its implications. When we think about machine learning, we often imagine a futuristic utopia where machines do all the work and humans reap the benefits. But the truth is, machine learning poses significant risks and ethical dilemmas that we can no longer ignore. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. With machines getting smarter, will humans become redundant? The automation of jobs will not only lead to widespread unemployment but also exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. Another critical issue is privacy. Machine learning algorithms thrive on data, and the more data they have, the better they become. But at what cost? Our personal data is being harvested and exploited without our explicit consent, raising serious questions about data ownership and protection. As machine learning becomes more pervasive, we need to ensure that our privacy is not sacrificed at the altar of convenience. Furthermore, machine learning also raises questions about accountability and transparency. Who is accountable when a machine learning system makes a mistake? The creators, the users, or the machines themselves? As machines become more autonomous, we need to establish clear guidelines and regulations to prevent misuse and abuse. The lack of transparency in machine learning algorithms also makes it challenging to understand how they arrive at certain decisions, which can have devastating consequences in high-stakes areas like healthcare and finance. As we navigate the complexities of machine learning, it's essential to acknowledge that the benefits are undeniable. In healthcare, machine learning is helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and identify potential treatment options. In finance, machine learning is enabling faster and more secure transactions. In transportation, machine learning is paving the way for safer and more efficient autonomous vehicles. In the healthcare industry, for instance, machine learning has enabled the development of AI-powered chatbots that can detect symptoms and provide personalized treatment plans. This not only improves patient outcomes but also reduces the workload of healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus on more critical tasks. In finance, machine learning has enabled the creation of fraud detection systems that can identify and prevent fraudulent transactions in real time. This not only reduces financial losses but also increases customer trust and loyalty. In transportation, machine learning is being used to develop autonomous vehicles that can detect and respond to complex traffic scenarios, reducing the risk of accidents and improving traffic flow. Imagine a future where machines can predict and prevent natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, and tsunamis. Imagine a world where machines can identify and cure diseases before they even occur. But imagine also a world where machines make decisions that are biased, discriminatory, and unfair. The future of machine learning is both exhilarating and unsettling, and it's crucial we consider the implications of creating autonomous systems that can shape our destiny. As we stand at the threshold of this machine learning revolution, we need to ask ourselves, what do we want the future to look like? Do we want machines to augment human capabilities or replace them? Do we want machines to make decisions that benefit humanity or perpetuate existing social and economic inequalities? In conclusion, machine learning is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to revolutionize industries and transform lives, but it also poses significant risks and challenges that we can no longer ignore. As we move forward, it's essential we prioritize transparency, accountability, and fairness in the development and deployment of machine learning systems. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on the impact of machine learning on our future, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to explore more about the role of technology in shaping our lives, check out our video on the dark side of artificial intelligence.